all you gotta do is pull these out and you got yourself a mobile workstation. Now what's great about this is my next package. Let's get into it. Shout out to Babyliss. Anybody who went to the CT Barber Expo, you guys know about these bad boys right here. Come on. DLC titanium zero gap blade. This blade is already zero gap. I'm gonna show you guys a video with these. For 7,000 RPMs, 7 different attachments. So it's gonna come with guards, a 5-hour runtime. Between these two tools, we got a 4-hour runtime and a 5-hour runtime. Lithium ion battery, cordless, 10,000 RPMs, gold color, titanium foils. This comes with a diffuser. And it also comes with a beard attachment. So if you want to comb out your beard as you're blow drying it out, very important so that you don't remove too much of the hair when you're sculpting it. If a client's coming every week, you want to be able to comb it out first. Boom, money shot. It's already zero gapped. Beautiful. Has a great feel to it. Woo, that thing's sharp. Yeah, that thing is very sharp. That thing is very sharp. That's how sharp it is. That is how sharp that blade is. It got me. Let's take this bad boy out. Beautiful. So the farther I move this up, the farther the cutting blade moves up. Hey, I'm a lefty, so this is like the best invention possible. This is universally a much better design for barbers who are left-handed. Give you guys a nice little close-up. How it fits in my GMB Pro bag. So now all I have to do is fold this bad boy in, fold that bad boy in, and I'm gone. The best combination for the best barber. Let's go. I appreciate y'all. I'll see y'all that self-cut coming real soon. I just got my braids, about to get the fade, and I might use the new tools to do it. I'll see you on the other side. First things first, can't use the regular guards. They come with a separate pair. I'm gonna start off with the 1.5 that are open. Let me guys know what you think of these clippers. If they are hitters, leave a comment in the comment section below, and I'm gonna get to the cut. Get that arch. Ooh-wee. Hey man, these are fire. Not only they look good, but they hit. Y'all see it, it speaks for itself. Rate these in the comments, let me know what you guys think of these. I already know these look good. Let's see how they feel. Smooth, smooth, effortless. Dear Lord, please help my beard to connect. Please leave a comment. Let me know what type of videos you guys are looking for from me so I know what to give y'all. Much love. I'm out. Yes, sir. I'm back, man. Everybody has a cast to their life, and I changed the script for my life with $15 and a pair of clippers, from $5 cuts in the basement to $200 haircuts in the hills in LA. Anything is possible. I always want to share my mission with you guys that I'm living proof. What I'm doing is possible for you as well. Never put a cap on your life. Always have a mission and go for it. Don't let anybody stop you. There's a regret factor of if you don't do it, and there's also a dream of if you do it. And they both motivated me to get here, and I, without a doubt, will go back and do it 10 times over. A VIP treatment for an affluent market at a premium price. That was my mission. I accomplished that, and I want to share with you guys and help you guys to accomplish your dreams and goals. So don't ever sleep on your own potential in life. Never want to go to the graveyard with regrets. Boy, sharp! Come on now! Man!